Xuan 3-bar leg stretcher heavy-duty gymnastic portable flexibility stretching machine stretch strength training leg machines yoga exercise gym. A reliable means to extend your legs. Use top-notch devices to boost leg adaptability as well as prepare yourself to take your extending to the following level. Establish versatility as well as equilibrium. Portable and cost-effective. Portable, lightweight, tailored residence stretch. Our leg stretcher is assembled, portable, lightweight, very easy to store, as well as conserves storage area. Adaptable fighting styles devices, appropriate for family members, martial arts, and also basic stretching. Adjustable pole with pad 6 openings per hole, flexible to various sizes relying on elevation. The size can be 22.1 to 40.6 inches. Suitable for seniors, kids and grown-ups. Note: children over 1 meter can use it. Stainless steel and thick non-slip foam. The leg stretcher is made of top-quality stainless steel for toughness as well as longer life. Non-slip foam on the feet to avoid scratches. Safe as well as trusted. Gifts are gotten ready for you. Each collection includes 2 foam spares as well as 1 band that can be attached. We will return you with reduced investment as well as high outcome. Please remain assured to acquire. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.